Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you'll never have enough. And that's a famous quote from Oprah Winfrey. Oprah also said, you can have it all, you just can't have it all at once. So Oprah is incredibly successful because she has a very positive attitude and she's extraordinarily long-term focused. And so we all need to be long-term greedy as well. And I've actually never met a successful person with a negative attitude. And with Oprah, there were so many people that told her she'll never make it. And as Les Brown once said, someone else's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. And we can learn a lot from Oprah, as she had so many dead-end jobs, and she just kept telling herself, do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. So if you're frustrated at work, working for a jerk, then, and I say this with love in my heart, good. Because this will motivate you to get a better job, or even better, start your own company. And I want to humbly help you start your own company or change careers to do what you were meant to do. And the average age in the United States, at least, of somebody starting a company is over 50 years old. It's never too late to reinvent yourself. And if you want to start a new career, then please take this course of mine today for free called the Complete Interview, Resume, LinkedIn, and Networking Course. And you can get this at that web address up there on the screen. It's all lowercase, haroonventures.com/complete job, all lowercase. Now, in closing, my favorite Oprah Winfrey quote of all time is, the greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude.